Today we're going to show you how to measure for a harness racing suit for Graham's Racing Silks. Going to begin with the pants pulled up on the waist. We're going to do the back length, measure from the base of the neck, right where the collar would join, to the top of the waist. Arms out in driving position. This is the full shoulder. We're going to find the spot on the body where the shoulder socket and the arm socket meet, where the arm goes into the shoulder. There's a little groove there. We're going to measure from that point, clear across to the same point on the other side. Arms down. The half shoulder, we're going to measure from the edge of the neck, to the top of the shoulder. Square up the shoulder with your hand if you need to get the top point of the shoulder. We do not want to come down over the edge of the shoulder. Ignore any clothing you're wearing and just measure to the top point on the shoulder. The sleeve length is next. We're going to measure from the same point that we just stopped at on the shoulder length down to the top thumb knuckle. We want a nice long sleeve. Chest is next. All the way around the fullest part of the chest. Okay? All the way around the fullest part of the chest. Tummy, same thing, all the way around the fullest part of the tummy. Waist, we're going to measure all the way around the fullest part of the waist and measure where whoever's going to be wearing the suit likes to wear their belt at. Some men like to wear their belt down below their tummy, some like it above. Make sure you measure at that point so we know where we're putting it. Seat, we're going to come all the way around the fullest part of the seat. Make sure they don't have a phone or wallet in their pocket, and we take the fullest measure on the seat. We're going to do a front length from the base of the throat, where the collar would sit, down to the point where they like to wear, the top of where they like to wear their belt. Then from that point, we're going to do a crotch depth. From that point where we stopped on the front, down between the legs and up around, turn, up around, hold that there, no, there. Up around to the back, to the top where we stopped in the measurement for the back length. You want it snug, but not tight. Now the outseam, we're going to measure from the top of the belt, the waist, all the way to the bottom of the floor, stop wherever they normally like to wear their pants at. Inseam, same thing. We're going to go from top of the crotch down to wherever they like to wear their pants at. Neck, all the way around the neck. I usually keep a couple fingers in there and give them a couple of options. Everybody likes a looser collar, but it's a personal fit.